ducks are coming into our valley.
Yes, we saw them too, Littlefoot.
Grandma, why are you washing my face? It's only going to get dirty again.
Because we're going to go and greet our visitors, Littlefoot. You want to look nice, don't you?
Well, I guess. But who are they? And where do they come from?
They're our cousins, Littlefoot. They're a migrating herd.
Migrating?
That means they travel and live in different places.
You mean instead of living in one place like us?
That's right.
I wouldn't like that. I like living in the Great Valley.
Yes, we do too, Littlefoot. Now come, let's go welcome our cousins.
Okay. Hey, do you think they have kids?
I'm sure they do. Oh,
Grandpa!
Are you all right?
strange. I suddenly felt so tired.
Perhaps we'd better stay here.
Oh, nonsense. I feel better already. Littlefoot, why don't you lead the way?
All right. Everybody follow me.
I'm fine, Grandma. Really.
Welcome to our valley, old one.
Yes. Now tell me, how is your climate?
Our climate? It's fine.
And your land? Has it changed?
Why, no, it hasn't.
Good. Of course, who knows how long that will last?
What's that stuffy old long neck mean by, who knows how long that will last? Shh.
My herd has roamed far and wide, and everywhere things are changing.
Changing? How?
Old one, are you saying changes will happen here, too?
I don't know. All I do know is that once our land was just like yours. Then, water fell from the sky for weeks on end. Our land grew wet and soggy. Strange creatures began to make their home on what was once dry land. Other creatures moved into the trees that were our source of food. The once green land we had migrated across for years had become the land of mists. We had no choice but to leave.
Does this mean that you and your herd will be staying with us, old one?
We stay in no place very long. You and the other Great Valley longnecks may join us when we leave. After all, there is safety in numbers.
Grandpa, we're not going to migrate, are we?
Of course not, Littlefoot. The Great Valley is our home.
Oh, Littlefoot, I'm so glad you are not leaving. I am. The Great Valley will never change. Oh, no.
Me glad you not leaving too. Me miss you whole bunch.
I'd miss you too, Petrie. Does this mean you'd miss me too, Spike?
Cera? Would you miss me?
Well, Ooh! Maybe I would, maybe I wouldn't. I'm not telling.
Why are you not telling, Cera? Is it a secret? Is it? Huh?
Well, if you really want to know, you have to catch me first.
Me catch you, Cera.
You'd better run fast.